Are your current health habits in need of a refresh? Perhaps you're on the hunt for ways to enhance your well-being, especially during the chilly winter months? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Fit Vibes Hub, your go-to destination for a healthier lifestyle. Today, we're delving into the world of detox habits. Now, we're not talking about those extreme detox programs that promise the world, but deliver very little. Instead, we're focusing on simple, effective habits that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Firstly, hydration. It's vital to keep your body hydrated, aiding your body's natural detoxification processes. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Next, consider starting your day with a cup of warm water with a squeeze of fresh lemon. This citrusy delight can kickstart your metabolism and support digestion, a fantastic way to get your day going. As you navigate your day, why not indulge in some herbal teas? Ginger, peppermint, or dandelion are all excellent choices, believed to have detoxifying properties. Plus, they'll keep you warm during those frosty winter days. Don't forget your fruits and vegetables. They are packed with antioxidants and fiber, aiding your body's natural detox processes. Incorporate a variety into your diet for maximum benefit. Dark leafy greens are particularly beneficial. Think kale, spinach, and Swiss chard. Nutrient-dense and delicious, they are a fantastic addition to your meals. Next up, cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are known for their detoxifying properties. Include them in soups, stews, or stir-fries for a healthful boost. Speaking of soups, opt for homemade soups and broths with a variety of vegetables. They are nourishing, hydrating, and can be easily digested. It's also crucial to limit processed foods. Reduce your intake of refined sugars and artificial additives. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Exercise is essential too. Stay active even during the winter months. It stimulates blood circulation, supports the lymphatic system, and promotes overall well-being. If you can, consider using a sauna or enjoying hot baths. Sweating can help eliminate toxins from the body. Quality sleep is also a key player. Ensure you're getting sufficient and quality sleep. Sleep is essential for the body's natural detoxification and healing processes. Limit your intake of caffeine and alcohol, as these can impact your sleep and stress levels. Lastly, practice mindful eating. Savor your meals and pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to detox habits for a healthier winter. It's time to start incorporating these habits into your routine. You'll be amazed at the difference they can make. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel, Fit Vibes Hub. We'd love to have you on board. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.